Today we are attempting to find the Linton Family Cemetery. It's back in here somewhere. I'm not sure exactly where. And we've also just had a horrendous rain and hailstorm blow through our area. I am in Prince William County, Virginia right now. And Mr. Linton was apparently a big figure in Prince William history, and his family cemetery is back in here. A friend of mine, David Cuff, who's been in a few of my other videos, told me that he's seen one of the family stones back here is one of the biggest he's ever seen, so I'm kind of interested to see that. So I'm hoping this trail will lead me there. That's what I've read anyway, so we'll see if that happens. I'm looking left and right through the woods to see if I can get a glimpse of it anywhere, because I'm not exactly sure where it is. I did read that there was an iron fence around it, so I'm trying to see if I can spot that. A lot of running water all around me. I think there's a river to my left, stream to my right, probably running into that river. There's a deer straight in front of me. There's two deer right on the path, right in front of me. 3 deer right there. Private property, no trespassing signs all over the place up there. All right, we're gonna stop and look at the GPS and figure out where we are. I'll be back in a few minutes. All right, checked out the GPS, found that I was way off track. And actually, I think I found it. Not exactly in the place I would have thought it was, but. And there it is. The Linton Family Cemetery. Definitely hidden away in here. Looks like it's in bad need of some grass mowing here. Okay, I see the gate here. All right. Got a little bench here for someone to sit on, I guess. I'm not sure I would trust it anymore though. But here we go. Linton Family Cemetery. Let's see if I can figure the gate out. Oh, there we go. It just swings open. All right, lots of footstones. And then the big headstone here. Let's see what that one says. Sacred to the memory of John Tyler Linton, only son of John Augustine Elliott Linton and Sarah Tyler, his wife. Born January 4, 1796, died September 9, 1821, R.I.P. Huge Linton there on the bottom. It's got writing on multiple sides. Let's see. Sacred to the memory of Sarah Tyler, born 1763, widow in 1822, of John Augustine Elliott Linton, died August 19, 1835. R.I.P. More writing back here. Sacred to the memory of John Augustine Elliott Linton, original proprietor of Linton's Ford, born January 5th, 1769, died December 2, 1822. And lastly, sacred to the memory of Cecilia Ann Graham, born July 9, 1894. Is that right? 1804. Widow in 1821 of J.T. Linton. Widow in 1828 of R.H. Phillips. Died May 2, 1878. And we have this gigantic Phillips stone here in memory of Anne Cecilia Phillips, born August 14, 1828, died July 17, 1917. In thee, O God, do I put my trust. So, not a big area. You have a row of graves and footstones there. See, are these readable? They're down really low to the ground. They may just be headstones. Let's see. They have writing on them. They do have writing on them, but hard to read. Hard to read. Of course, the are overgrown real bad here too. That's what I can see of the Linton Family Cemetery. Doesn't appear to be anything outside the fence, at least not visible. The overgrowth here is at least 2 feet high. There you have it, hidden right here among all the homes and neighborhoods. Linton family. Until the next video, y'all have a really good day.